What's up, guys? Welcome back to another edition of Average Aaron's Auto Videos, and today we are going to
change the spinny brush on a Roomba S9.
exactly change the spinny brush on a Roomba S9. So I got my helper, Little Eyo, here.
Yeah.
Gonna set the device down for us on this nice, lovely elephant rug that's in her room. Where is the spinny brush?
Oh, right here.
Very good. Where's our new one?
Right here, but hey, the spinny brush is spinning.
It looks like a honking spider. All right. So I'm gonna have Little Eyo hold the camera. And don't put your hand in front of the lens like I did on the first take. Point it down here. All right, now if you try to take this off, it just spins. So you have to hold it to get leverage for the screw to come off.
Yeah, because you don't want it to spin unless it's a spinner.
Exactly. Now, it has its own screw in here, which is fine. You might want to check around here and make sure that if there's any hair in there, go ahead and get it out now while you can.
Yep.
We did that in the first take, and there was lots of hair in there, but we got it out. And the new one, you just put it on like this.
Oh yeah, that's cool. Just never forget, hold it, because don't let it spin and go around.
Exactly.
We definitely don't want to do that.
All right. We got the new spinner brush on there, and it should work just fine, and hopefully our little Roomba will be cleaning a little bit better. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. We hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we will see you guys next time.